Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change device name in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change your device name in Vivo phone, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change device name in Vivo phone. In this video guys, I will show you. So let's start the video. First of all guys, come in your phone setting app. Then guys you can see your about phone setting. So guys, click on this about phone setting. Then guys you can see this pencil option. Guys, click here and guys tap here and guys we will cut it. And guys now we will set into like Vivo phone mobile Vivo. So as we will change into like that, you can change guys Vivo phone Vivo mobile and guys okay. So I hope friends you have understood how to change device name in Vivo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with the topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.